simple present tense. What are verb tenses? Verb tenses show the time on which an action takes place, whether it's in the past, present, or future. The simple present is a verb tense. We use the simple present tense for repeated actions that happen over and over again. For example, I play tennis every week. The train leaves every morning at 8 a.m. She always forgets her purse. Every year, the earth circles the sun. Simple present form. Simple present verbs have two forms. We use the base verb or verb plus s. But when do we use these forms? Actually, that depends on the subject of the sentence. Subjects can be pronouns, for example, I, you, he, she, it, we, and they. Subjects can also be nouns like people, places, animals, or things. We use the base verb with the subject pronouns I, you, we, and they. For example, I live in New York. We are hungry. You have a big house. They sleep in the afternoon. We use verb plus s when the subject pronoun is he, she, or it. For example, she swims every morning. It snows a lot in winter in Russia. He gets up early every day. As for the subject nouns, we use a base verb when the subject noun is plural. For example, cats hate water. Children like ice cream. My friends love this song. We use verb plus s when the subject noun is singular. For example, my sister works at the theater. The earth revolves around the sun. George brushes his teeth twice a day. We also use verb plus s when the subject noun is uncountable. For example, snow falls from the sky in winter. Water freezes at 0 Celsius. My hair grows quickly. If you like the video, don't forget to like, follow, and subscribe. Goodbye.
Don't forget to answer the activities in the description box to check your understanding. لا تنسى الإجابة على الأنشطة في صندوق الوصف للتحقق من فهمك.